Well, hello everyone. It is day 6, pattern number 6 for our Granny Square challenge for the month of August. And this is the pretty little design we are going to do today. And it requires 3 colors. And I've been pretty much sticking with these colors here, but I think I'm going to change up my colors for this one. But let me know down below if you were making a purse out of your granny squares, what 3 colors would you use if the pattern was a 3-color pattern? Just out of curiosity. So for this square, we're going to start off by chaining 4 and then slip stitching to form a circle into that very first chain stitch. We're going to chain up 3. That counts as a double crochet. And then we're going to put 2 double crochets into the hole, the center. Make sure you don't go into a stitch by mistake. So there's 1 and 2. That gives us 3 doubles. Chain 2 and then do 3 doubles. This one starts off like the classic granny square starts off. It's 2. That's 3. Chain 2. 1, 2, 3. That is 4. Chain 2. And then 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and slip stitch it to the top of your beginning chain 3. And fasten off. Okay, that is round 1, square number 1. Looks like your traditional start to a granny square because that's exactly what it is. Okay, so round 2, we change up colors. I'm going to switch to white. And going to do a slip knot. And in any of your chain 2 corners, you are going to fasten on with a single crochet. And do a standing single crochet. It makes for a much cleaner looking fasten on. Okay, so we have our single. And we're going to come over to this middle double crochet. And we're going to do 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to chain 2 and do 3 more double crochets in that same spot. It's 1, 2, and 3. Come to your chain 2 space for the corner and do a single crochet. Then you skip to the middle of the 3 and do 3 doubles in the top of that stitch. So 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and then 3 more in that same place, 3 more doubles. 1, 2, and 3. Move to the corner and do a single crochet. Jump over to your middle double crochet and do 3 doubles. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and do 3 more. It's 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in that corner, chain 2 space, and then jump over to this middle, double crochet, and do 3 more doubles. You're repeating the exact same thing all the way around your 4 little sides. Chain 2, 3 more doubles in the same spot. It's 1, 2, and 3. And then we are going to slip stitch to our single crochet that we started off with and fasten off. And that is it for that color. And that is how you should be looking so far, tails and all. So we're going to move on to round 3, which is color number 3. And for us, that is yellow today. You're going to start off with a slip stitch, not so tight, in any of the chain 2 corners. So you're going to do a slip or fasten on with a single. I think I said start off with a slip stitch, but I meant fasten on with a single. And chain 1. And then come over here to this single crochet. And in between these 2 little posts here is where you're going to work. So you're going to go in there and do 4 double crochets. That's 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and then put 4 more in there. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 1, put a single crochet in this chain 2 space, chain 1, and then you're going to come over here, and in between, right in between those 2 spots, you're going to put 4 double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and do 4 more doubles in that same spot. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 1, and do a single in the corner, chain 1, and move on to this next single crochet. And you do that all the way around, and I'll meet you on the other side. Alrighty then, I've made it around to the other side, and I need to chain 1 and then slip stitch to attach to the very first single crochet that we did. Hello, kitty. What are you doing in here? You just open the door and just waltz right in all on your own? How does that happen? You want to come up here and say hello? Come here. Say hello to everybody. Look up. Say hello. Okay, now you gotta leave. You gotta leave the room. Bye-bye. Out you go. Scooch. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so we are ready for the next color, which, wow, we got there fast. We're on round 4, so we're back to cut the gray. All right, so again, we start with a slip knot. And we're going to do a single crochet in the corner, the chain 2 corner, a single, a chain 2, and another single. And then we should have, working our way to the next corner, it should be 13 if I remember right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not right. Okay, so you single crochet into the first 4 doubles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet into the chain space. Single crochet into this single and into this chain space. And then 4 singles in the 4 doubles. And then we do a single into the corner, chain 2, and a single into the corner. And you repeat that all the way around. Single crochet on top of the 4 doubles. Single crochet into the chain space, into the single, into the chain, and then on top of the 4 doubles, and then to your corner. And you repeat that all the way around to the other side, and I shall meet you when I arrive there. Okay, so I made it around. Sorry to keep you waiting. And we're getting ready to start round 5, and it is still in the gray. So with round 5, you're going to scoot yourself over into the corner over here. And we're going to chain 3. That counts as a double, and then 2 more. That counts as a chain 2. And put another double into that corner space, just like that. And then this is where the 13 comes in. You're going to do 13 double crochets until you get to your corner. 1 in each single crochet. Make sure I'm not missing anything there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so after doing 13 double crochets, and that took me all the way to the corner, you should look like that. And you're going to do a double crochet in the corner, chain 2, and another double crochet. Each corner will be done like that. And now you should have 13 double crochets until you reach the next corner. Then you would do double, chain 2, double, 13, double, chain 2, double, 13, and then we fasten off. And I will meet you on the other side. So I've made my way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. And I need to slip stitch into 1, 2, 3. The third one. Remember, it's a double and a chain 2. And fasten off. And that, my friends, completes this cute little square. I like these colors together. Kind of, I don't know, it looks kind of like a flaming star in these colors, or I can't put my finger on it, but it looks so pretty. I love it. All right, so let me know, which color combination do you like best? I'm gonna lean this way. I like these colors, don't get me wrong, but I've been looking at them a lot lately. I like that. So thank you. This is pattern 6, day 6 of our Granny Square Challenge, and I appreciate you folks. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much.